Hello everyone, I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to drop a quick note and show you what's coming in the Hero Arts, my monthly hero kit for October 2018. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I did check, kits are still available, and so this kit's going to be so much fun. I thought I would share what's in it with you guys. Now first off, you get your 6x8 stamp set wrapped up with a pretty ribbon that usually coordinates with your kit contents. But this is a super fun stamp set here. I'm actually going to grab a piece of white cardstock and share with you so you can see a little bit better. It's behind that beautiful background there. Okay, so you get your Christmas tree, you get a few little animals which are lovely, you get ice skating, you get a reindeer, just fun elements to create lots of fun scenes. Now also special in this kit is your paper layering tree die. I'm going to actually cut it out and show you what it looks like. This is two pieces here. You have the tree die and then you have the frame that goes around the tree die. But I'm going to run that through my die cut machine and show you. Now with layering dies, I'm going to keep my pieces together. It just makes it easier, but you can separate them. And if you just want the tree, say you stamp your image and want the tree to be die cut, just the elements of the tree to be die cut, you can see here that they punch out and they lift, which gives it a three-dimensional look, and I think that's fantastic. And then like I said, the tree and the stamp set matches your die perfectly. Oops. But each of those little elements pop out to create a real fun 3D tree, and I'm so looking forward to using this. So that's your stamp set. You do get 14 coordinating dies to go with it. Now the smaller images in the stamp set don't have dies, as far as the little Christmas bulbs and a few snowflakes. But the star tree topper does, which is great. The little ice patch doesn't. You get fun sentiments in here. So that is your stamp set and your dies. So there's 16 dies in total, which is great. Now also included in this kit, you get a package of some iridescent stars. These are so pretty. I'm going to give you a close-up to see what they look like. They have real pretty iridescence to them, but they have a blue hue to it. And I just think they're so neat. The bottoms of them are flat, but there's a dimension to them, which is great. So they'll glue to your project beautifully. So you get a package of those. Also in this kit, you get some iridescent ink. It says do not shake, or no, it says do shake. Shake well. I probably would have shook it if it said not to, or shake it. That's just what I do. I see a bottle, I just automatically want to shake it. But this is really neat. I'm going to shake it up really good. So it'll probably make you a little dizzy. Sorry about that. But you can see the glitter is on the bottom. So once the glitter is removed from the bottom, I think it's shook really well. I'm going to show you what it looks like on some cardstock here. And I still had glitter in my little nozzle, so I'm going to tap it on my glass mat a few times, and just to let that go down. Now this would be great for watercoloring. I know last month's kit came with the Daniel Smith watercolor dot palette, so if you wanted to use this and mix your paints in with that, it'd be fantastic. But this also would work great if you put it in a water brush, and you could use this almost exactly like a Wink of Stella shimmer pen or an aqua glitter pen. So this is really fun and handy, and I bet it would work great with your oxide inks also. So you get a bottle of that, and then next you get 6 glitter cardstock sheets here. The blue is Twilight, you get silver, and then the greenish teal color is called Sea Glass. But this is beautiful cardstock. They're 5.5 by 8.5 inch sheets, and they're no shed. The glitter does not come off, and the glitter is super fine. So I think that is beautiful glitter paper, and I look forward to using this. So that's everything in this month's kit, guys. I'm going to be making 10 cards with this kit pretty soon, so keep a lookout for that. I love scene building, so this stamp set is perfect for that. Like I said, kits are available. Links are in the description area below in case you're interested. But I wish you a fantastic day. Thank you so much for joining me. We'll see you again real soon, guys. Bye-bye.